Hi, and let's see in this small video how to classify files in subdirectories. So for this I'm using File Manager on Commando Pro that you can download here, and I'm using the tutorial that is generated to get the files. So step 17 of the tutorial is how to do it. So I've created some files from the tutorial that are here that I can select, and then you can use so F9 or this icon here. Then let's search for Categorize files. Let's choose this one, and then in this case I've already filled the regular expression this, where you see it's gonna match to classify file, and basically it's gonna use this group. So this is the first regular expression group in this case as name for the directory, and it's gonna move two files to an invoice directory and another file to the credit note directory. So let's do this, and now the files are gone, and you see I have a credit note directory and I have an invoice directory. So here I have just one file, and in the invoice one I have two files that I've moved. And you can also do it by not only by using the name and some regular expression, but we can also do it by date. So in this case I'm going to choose 3 images, and then same thing, just open there, use categorize files. Well, now in this case we need to choose select by file date, so let's use file date. Just pressing escape to remove it, and then like quote, let me check, quote 17, screenshot quote, and then minus mmm minus yy. So here you see now it's sorting the files by, so first by the text that I've decided to put, and then the months of the file, and then the year of the file. And same thing, it's going to move 2 files in one directory, 1 file in another one. And now if I go to this folder, like here, you can see that the one in Feb 2024 are indeed from February 2024, and the one that has been moved to May 2024 is also from the 12th of May 2024. So more information about the different patterns is in the documentation online on this link, where you can find how to create regular expression or how to match also dates with like pattern. Yes, thank you for watching. Hope it helps you to classify your files in subdirectories. If you have any questions or remarks, put them in the comments, and thanks for watching. Just like and share this video. Bye!